Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how you can hide chats on your WhatsApps. So simply just follow some steps to do that. Simply just go to settings of your iPhone and just go to the main interface of your settings and just go to the general section and just update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad. Before going with that option, you make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a connected VPN, simply just go to general section and just scroll down and just go to the VPN and device management and disconnect VPN from here. After that, simply just go to your WhatsApp and simply see this are my chats and I want to hide the chat of that person. Just tap on that and you see that it's showing of the log chats and archive chats. So archive chats basically go to your chats on that section. Just like that, I'm gonna do that. Just archive and see that they're showing the archive on my upper area. And if just this that I'm gonna tap on that and just see that the chats. So it's not you see that they hide. So I'm gonna hide that. Simply just go back and just again tap on that and mark as an archive. Sorry, just tap on archive and just go back and just go to main interface and just tap on that. And here you see that there is an option of log chats. So you're gonna hide your chats. Just tap on that and just tap on continue and just also allow. Do you want to open them with your face ID? If you have a set up a face ID, if your face ID is not working on your iPhone, simply just don't allow. If you have a face ID working in your iPhone, maybe iPad, just allow it and just scan my face and they're gonna hide. Just like that, I'm gonna log chats and just scan the face and this showing. So when you just go back and just finish your this finish and just again back to WhatsApp and it's showing that it's not showing upper area and when I just like that just scroll just like scroll and it's showing the log chats. They don't show when you just go to WhatsApp and not too much scroll. Just I'm gonna scroll like that. Then they're showing the log chat. Simply just tap on that, and they're gonna scan your face and open. If you don't, if any person try to open that, they're gonna not open and they want to hide it. So that is the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.